There's nothing wrong with you wanting to look better, feel better, be healthier. Are you kidding me? What's going on, Wolves? I hope you're all having a great day so far. I'm coming at you to talk about what you should be doing if your partner doesn't agree with you trying to better your health. Okay, this is a big one. This is a very touchy ass subject because I know there are a lot of couples out there that struggle with this, and I've actually trained multiple women and men that have a significant other that doesn't agree with them trying to better their health and fitness goals and puts them down because of it. And I basically have one response: fuck those people. Okay, I'm sorry. I might have a different view on this, but I've landed me a fiance that supports me in every single thing that I do, and she's absolutely amazing, and I am the same to her. Okay, if I want to better my health and fitness goals, make myself feel better, look better, be healthier, she supports that. So if you are currently in a relationship right now where your partner doesn't support that, I want you to sit down and ask yourself if you're in the right relationship, because there's nothing wrong with you wanting to look better, feel better, be healthier. Are you kidding me? I literally had a girl in my program that when she went to better her fitness and her health was told that she was an idiot, got put down, got called a bunch of names in the book just because she was investing in her health and fitness goals so she could actually look at her own reflection and not feel like shit. Okay, so she could walk up a set of stairs without being gassed, so she could tie her shoes easier. All right, so my basic response, my main answer to this problem is that if you are currently in a relationship where your significant other, your partner, your husband, your wife, your fiance, whatever the case may be, does not agree with you bettering your health and fitness goals, you need to reevaluate the relationship that you are in. Okay, because there should be no problem with you bettering your health and your life. Okay, if they just don't want to go to the gym with you, that's fine. But if they are putting you down and trying to get you to stop bettering your life so you don't, I guess, surpass them and how good you look, you got to reevaluate your shit, because that's not a healthy relationship to be in.